Hi guys, I wanted to show you a way to write on a Google Doc using either your cursor or your finger, or if you happen to have a pen, so that you can show me all your work. I'm going to need to see your setup, see your train track, see how you put in the numbers and the units, and get your final answer for these problems. There's several different ways to do this, but here's one that should already be loaded to your computer that you can use. We're going to use Windows Ink, and if you look down here, I have it pinned to my toolbar, Windows Ink Workspace. If you don't have it pinned, come over here to the search space, and if you type in Windows Ink, it should come up, Windows Ink Workspace Settings. So then you would click on it, you see the pen there. So once you've done that, once I click on this, I hope you guys can see I have a few different options that come up. Sticky notes, Sketchpad, Snip and Sketch. Maybe you just use Sketchpad. When you use Sketchpad, it should come up a blank screen. You have a couple of choices. You can click on the pen, choose your color, and use your cursor to draw. That didn't go so well. There's an eraser here, so you can erase everything. But you could use your cursor to start a train track and put your numbers in. You have 42 meters. Then you can finish this out. Once you're complete and you have written what you want, if you go over here to copy and you just click the copy button, let me try that again. It's copied. So now I'm going to go back to my Google document and I'm going to paste it in this box. I'm just going to, I guess you could do Control V, or you could right click, however you like to copy. Now notice it made my workspace box much larger. That's not a big deal. You can click on this and then shrink it down so it fits a little better into the box. But you don't have to necessarily do that. I don't mind if it makes your one-page document become a two-page document. There you go. If you have any questions for me, let me know. Shoot me an email, but let's give this a shot for today's quiz. This is due tomorrow, and you'll have an opportunity to ask me some questions tomorrow during our Zoom meeting. Until then, take care.